You can see pretty much every time we push into anxious, this is followed by moves back up in the market. So why is it that despite the price moving up, the emotional index is actually pointing more bullish now? This is a very unusual signal from the emotional index. How's it going, everyone? Today is November 1st, and we are seeing some really interesting patterns play out on Bitcoin today. Just about the entire crypto market is in bearish territory right now, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly where I think Bitcoin is heading next and why. Thanks so much for joining me in today's Bitcoin video. My name is Jake with Trade Confident.io, here to bring you your daily crypto insight. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please remember to like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. And if you are new with us, welcome to the page. We're really excited to trade with you. If you scroll down on the video you're watching right now and go into the description, you're going to be able to get access to our membership where we have 79 wins, 0 loss trades since February 2023. You'll access our daily crypto metrics and our $1 million profit account challenge. This is members only content right here. Don't miss out on that. You can access our indicators for 60% off at the second link and join our Telegram channel at the third link. Before we dive into the charts, I do have a couple of announcements. As I said before, we are 79 wins, 0 losses in our scalping trade strategy. And if we head over to trade setups and then view performance record right here, scroll all the way to the bottom, you're going to see that we have 2 brand new trades for our members to take. You don't want to miss out on these. Just like the previous 2, our profit target is going to be 6%. So as the bull market continues, we're going to be taking larger and larger trades. There is now 11 active trades for you to take, and if you want to do so, you just got to snag a membership and head over to the trade setups page. Now, don't forget, we also have a future forecast video. This one was just posted yesterday. Scary November 4th and 5th pattern to repeat. Plus, watch this millionaire line closely. We're going to show you some scary evidence that points to November 4th and 5th being the last bullish days of November before huge crashes back down, and this has happened in the last 2 halving cycles. You must see this. Let's dive in. This right here is going to be a crazy video that if you're in cryptocurrency, you need to watch. All this and more, once again, with the membership at the links in the description down below. With that, let's head into the Bitcoin metrics. The very first metric we're going to take a look at is the Bitcoin Emotional Index. Despite the price of Bitcoin moving upwards, we're actually seeing a significant drop in the emotional index, and we are now sitting in neutral territory. Typically, the lower you are on this chart, the more likely you are to actually pump in the market. You can see pretty much every time we push into anxious, this is followed by moves back up in the market. So why is it that despite the price moving up, the emotional index is actually pointing more bullish now? I think we're going to have to find out. This is really tough to tell. This is a very unusual signal from the emotional index. So from there, we need to be paying attention to the volatility breakout detector. This is the second day in a row below the breakout zone. And as you can see, whenever we drop below the breakout zone, this is where we're getting really significant moves in the market, with the last time actually resulting in the massive pump that brought us to where we're at today. This tells me that we should be seeing really significant moves incoming, and as we look at the Bitcoin whale smart money metric, it's showing significant short trade sentiment among whales. This means that more than likely whales should be short trading the market soon. We did surpass the negative 800 level that previously has resulted in moves down, as you can see right here, and right here. So while it did result in a short move down, I don't think we're quite done with it yet, and I think this is more likely to indicate a bearish move. Next, I want to show you the Bitcoin whale money flow relative to price chart. Now, I think this is where the emotional index actually came into play. We saw whale money dropping out of the market, and while it did drop for a little bit, the price actually began moving up instead. This is called bearish divergence, and uptrends cannot be supported without whale money. So if whale money is dropping while price is rising, it should typically result in springboard actions down. But now we're seeing whale money move back into the market, and I think that's what's responsible for this little move up here. If whale money continues moving into the market, this will actually be bullish. If whale money begins dropping again, I think this is where we're going to see our break to the downside. Next up, it's going to be the Bitcoin major support and resistance levels. The only structure support that I'm looking at right now is $31,862 for our previous high of 2023. I think if we were to drop, this would be our first target, though there is one just above that that I'll show you on the live charts that we need to pay attention to as well. Last but not least is going to be the Bitcoin trade signals chart. We received a strong sell signal, and we are still trading within this red short trade liquidity zone. And this could indicate a short squeeze to the upside if whales decide to continue pumping money back into the market. So there are two scenarios here where we have a bullish and a bearish scenario, and I'm going to go into that a little bit more specifically in the live portion of this video. Now, if you trade Bitcoin, you need access to these metrics. It's just as simple as that. They're updated every single day at 8 a.m. Pacific time, and they have helped our traders make crazy money. Check it out. Let's go over to the profits tab. This person right here took less than 2 weeks to cover 3 months worth of membership fees, and that's only spot trading, no leverage. This person paid for their membership within 6 days. Absolutely insane. This person earned 16% with us. This person transferred $3,000 into their account. Absolutely insane what our members are able to do with our membership, especially with the brand new trade setups that just came out, especially with the future forecast video that just came out. You need to be paying attention to these charts. If you want to get access, membership links are in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more, and then it's the first link. Click that. It'll bring you to our membership page. It's a limited time special. Price increases will be coming, so lock in your price now. On top of everything I showed you, future forecast videos, all trade setups, metrics across all 20 coins, members will get access to live coaching every single month, morning brew overview, and more. It's going to be crucial that you pay attention to all this. Go and click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. Heading into the live charts, we're looking at Bitcoin USD on the 4-hour time frame using the TC top and bottom, find your price versus well money flow, and trades in favor indicators. Now we're currently looking at what's called an ascending triangle pattern. This is indicated by a horizontal resistance structure followed by a rising support structure that will eventually converge. If you go over to the Trade Confident website, again, just really quickly, we have a trading patterns area. It just gives you a very simple graphic of how to read each trading pattern. You can see ascending triangle patterns when started from an uptrend tend to be bullish. So this pattern, heading back over to the live charts, this pattern should actually break to the upside. What's interesting to me though is we have an 87% chance of a drop. I gotta be honest though, I think it's because of this wick that absolutely shot to the upside. This is where we actually received a sell signal too. Most often this would result in a drop in price, and that's exactly what we got, as we predicted yesterday, down to the rising support structure. We're seeing whale money flow low though, and if whale money begins moving back into the market, this could indicate a retest of the structure resistance next. Because of that, I'd say the 4-hour time frame is a little bit more bullish. Heading into the 1-day time frame though, we're seeing price versus whale money flows super high. Trades in favor is high with a 54% chance of a drop as we test structure support after receiving a strong sell signal. All of these could indicate a drop to structure support. All of this could indicate a break to the downside to structure support at $33,100 or as far down as structure support here at $31,645. This would be a significant drop, and if we head to the 1-week time frame, we're seeing a neutral reading from the price versus well money flow, showing it could go either way. A very bearish reading from the trades in favor with a 90% chance of a drop. Essentially on the 1-week time frame, if whale money continues moving money back into the market, we should expect a break to the upside. If whale money drops out of the market, we should expect a drop to the downside, once again to those structure support levels. If we do break to the upside, my structure resistance that I'm looking at is $37,267. Pretty significant move, but this would be typical for a breakout, especially for how much short trade liquidity is at this point. This red zone indicates a lot of short trades are happening at this level, and if whales push past this, this would liquidate a lot of traders and very easily push the price upwards. This is called a short squeeze, and it's actually exactly what happened back here. Whale money began moving money into the market, short traders got liquidated, and then the price pumped because there was less and less downward pressure. It's honestly really hard to tell which direction the price is going to go. If you decide to enter at this price in anticipation of the next move up, be sure to use risk management in case we do drop. We like to buy the dips as they happen, and around these zones would be my personal targets. This is not financial advice, though. I'm not telling you how you should or shouldn't take your trades. All I am saying, though, is if you want to stay updated, you're going to want to snag these indicators and pay very close attention to price versus well money flow. Where well money goes, the price is likely to go too, and this is honestly one of my favorite indicators because of that. It really helps predict where the market's heading. I can get you these indicators for up to $550 off right now. Check it out. Once again, links are in the description below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click more. The indicators are the second link. Click that. It'll bring you to the pro indicator page. Members are going to get a $150 off discount. It's actually much cheaper to purchase the indicators with the membership than it is without it. So the membership is worth it for that alone, not even considering the money-making benefits. Once you have your membership, click access coupon code, write that down, then click pro indicator pack. Scroll down and click I want this, throw in the discount code, code, fill in your information, click pay. It's going to offer you the TC Top and Bottom Finder for $400 off, and combined with the membership discount gives you that full $550 discount. Go and click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. With that, I just want to say thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the membership charts. Don't miss out.